Dear student, today we discussed PPSC Intelligence Officer पेपर 25/8/2024 को हुआ था. How many members are there in UNO? 193 members. Who translated Holy Quran the first time in Persian? Shah Waliullah. The Arab League was established in 22 मार्च 1945 को. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. What is the basic unit of the animal and human body? Cell. Who is the founder of the Nishat brand? Nazman Shah. The first Urdu newspaper was issued from which country? Calcutta. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. The Orange Revolution, a series of protests and political events, took place in which of the country? Ukraine. When Muhammad Ali Jinnah gave 14 points. 1929. The male reproductive part of the flower is called stamen. An Excel workbook is a collection of worksheets and charts. Politics and the State in Pakistan, book written by Muhammad Wasim. Who invented bulb? Edison. The lunar eclipse occurs when Earth is between the Sun and the Moon. K2 was discovered and measured by Godwin Eston in which of the following year? 1856. The antonym of blooming is fading. During land is between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Silk Road Karakram Highway connects Pakistan with China. Marco Polo was a famous traveler. What is the area of KPK? 10,01,741 square kilometer. Which type of vitamin is used for human body through sun? Vitamin D. Who among the following person is called desert fox? Erwin Rommel. What is the standard file format for PowerPoint presentations? PPT. What is the default file format for Excel spreadsheets? XLSX. What is the height of hurdles used in the 110 meter hurdle race? 1.067 meters. Microsoft is the largest company in which industry? Software. Which organization has actively campaigned for the ban on nuclear weapons? ICANN. What is the one-word substitution for a person who loves books? Bibliophile. Which of the following is an example of magnetic material? Iron. Which logic unit give 0 output if all inputs are 1? NOR. Which of the following is the unit of length? Meter. What is a synonym for ring? Accuse. What does the idiom at sea mean? To be lost or confused. Who was the leader of Muslim in the Battle of Badr? Muhammad, peace be upon him. What does EEPROM stand for? Electrical Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Who discovered the microscope? Zacharias Janssen. China nuclear heat generation is how many times hotter than the sun's heat? 5 times. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of partition? Bengal. Lord Curzon. NAFTA was signed by which of the following countries? Canada, Mexico and United States. If the Suez salary is 10% more than Sajjad's salary, then what will be the Sajjad's salary? 91/11%. The sum of the squares of two numbers is 97 and the squares of their difference is 25. The product of the two numbers is 36. What is the area of a rectangle with a length of 7 centimeter and width of 2 centimeter? 14 centimeter square. 24 worker working 7 hours a day produce 4000 unit in 30 days. In how many days 30 worker working 8 hours a day will produce 3500 units? 21 days. How many sports were included in the 2020 Summer Olympics? 33. In Excel, what is the function of the F11 key? Toggle full screen mode on off. What is the Nishat group known for? Textile and energy. Tila Jogian is located in which geographical region? पोटोहर प्लेटो. In 1907, Mohsinul Mulk served as the secretary of which organization? All India Muslim League. What does the RSS stand for? Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. Naya Azad is which type of magazine? Urdu literary magazine. If 28,800 the actual, what will be the price after a 20% discount? 23,040. What is the primary use of the page down key on a keyboard? Scroll down one page in a document. The founder of Zimidar newspaper was Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. The most advanced form of ROM is EEPROM. Which protein effective for RNA? Ribosomes. Synonyms of glacier is horrible. Who is the founder of Google? Sergey Brin and Larry Page. Sabbath and Rifa are associated with which prophet? Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. In which battle did the Muslims sleep? Ghazwa-e-Uhud. Thanks for watching. Ready for exam.